Hi, my name is Benedict Okbala and I'm the CEO of Kiru Energy Limited. Today we just installed an 8 kVA solar PV setup for one of our clients in Lagos Island. This setup here contains 12 units of 555 watt solar panels, 8 kVA hybrid inverter system, and a 10 kilowatt hour lithium battery. This solar panel right here behind me can provide up to 25 units of electricity daily. So you can imagine what you can do with 25 units of electricity. This system here actually powers up to 3 air conditioners, TVs, light bulbs, fans, and other light loads at home. One of the biggest advantages of using solar electricity is that it saves you a huge amount of cost considering the current price or hike in price of petrol and diesel in Nigeria. At Kiru Energy, we are focused on providing the best quality service for our clients. Best quality service from engineering, from our execution, and then finally in maintenance. That's why most of our system, we provide up to 18 months of warranty on the installation and on the equipment itself. The solar panels we use are the best quality solar panels that exist, and that's why we can give you up to 20 years of warranty on the solar panels alone. Call us today and let's make your life better with our solar energy solutions. Thank you.